The Asus ROG Ally X is already a powerhouse in the handheld gaming space, but even the best hardware can benefit from well-designed accessories. BreedGaming's new ergonomic comfort grips and convertible protective case delivers exactly what the name promises, turning the Ally X into an even more comfortable, durable, and travel-friendly device. Right out of the box, the Ergo hand grip feels premium and purpose-built. Precision molded to fit the curves of the Ally X, it adds an organic controller-like feel that blends seamlessly with the handheld's design language. The textured polymer fiber material not only looks sleek, but also provides reassuring grip security without adding bulk. At just 115 grams, it manages to enhance protection and ergonomics without weighing down the device. The case is modular by design. Use the grips alone for home play or snap on the armor backplate for 360 degrees protection while traveling. This adaptability sets it apart from standard one-piece shells that often sacrifice either portability or safety. BreedGaming's ergonomic comfort grips and convertible case is more than just an accessory. It's a performance and usability upgrade for the Asus ROG Ally X. By combining ergonomics, cooling efficiency, and modular protection in a feather-light package, it solves many of the pain points handheld gamers face. If you own a ROG Ally X, and want to maximize both comfort and safety without compromising portability, this is a must-have add-on. After extended testing, it's clear the BreedGaming Ergo hand grip doesn't just protect the Ally X, it elevates the entire gaming experience.